front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for Remove Widget pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second one. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it though, just hold your screen and hit Widgets at the bottom left corner. Tap on Agree and Continue. Look for Google app, and when you find it, click on it. Then swipe to the left and tap on Add under Search Bar Widget. Now you can hold it to place it wherever you want to, and when you finished, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!